Okay, hello boys and girls. So today's video will be how to make a DIY paper spinner. So for the materials for today, we will need scissors. We will need markers. Today I'm going to use highlighters. You can use crayons or color pencils, whatever you feel as though is the best artistic material that you can use to present your paper spinner. We'll need a glue. And what I did today was I printed out a template of a paper spinner. So there's different options that you can do, different cool things. You can add color to them. But for today's video, I have already had them cut out. So I just did the basic forms right here. And as you can see, you have the two dots right here, and that's going to be for your string. But for today, I'm going to use a shoestring. Okay, and then also you'll need, these are two, you can't really tell, but these are two type of cardboard. So what I did was I cut out from a plastic plate. You're gonna need some cardboard as well. Okay, so for the first step right here, try to do after you finish cutting out your materials, you want to add some color. So I'm just gonna do, something basic, something where you wanna do something where when you're doing it, you can see the spin. When you're spinning it, you can see the color kind of movement on it. So I'm just gonna do something very simple. So I'm just gonna do like a whirl. I have different color. You wanna do different colors so that you can see your colors popping out as you're doing this spin. And lastly, I'm going to add blue. Just blend it in there. And for the next one right here, I'm going to do the same thing. Just want to make sure your colors pop out. Do different little methods, do different little designs so that when you do your spin, you could see them differently through each one. Okay, and then we'll do last one, green. Okay. So next what you want to do is you want to get your scissors. Then you want to poke a hole through these little holes right here. Please be careful as you're doing this. I'm gonna poke two holes in the middle right there. When you do the templates, they should already have the holes in them as well. So next what you want to do is you want to grab your glue and you want to glue it onto the cardboard. I'm just going to glue right here. Light glue, heavy glue. I know all of us are different in our glue methods. But at this point right here, it is totally up to you how you glue and how much glue you use. So all right. So what I did was I poked a hole beforehand. I'm gonna have to poke another hole, but I just wanted to see where my holes were, just so I have them already. So at this point right here, we have, so you have your cardboard on the back and you have your paper on the front. Paper on the front, cardboard on the back, and then you want to poke your hole again. You want to poke your holes through. So I'm just trying to stab the hole through. So I got my hole. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to glue these two together now so that we can see both of the holes together. So just make sure that your holes are lined up with each other. So I have both of the holes in the back. You just want to make sure your holes are lined up together for when you glue it together. So there we go. So you want to apply glue to one side, and the fun is about to come. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to grab your shoestring or your string, whichever one you used. Poke one through. You want to poke the other side through as well. And then what you want to do at the end is you want to tie one of your sides together. Just like this. And then let's see how it goes. So now you have your paper spinner. So now what you want to do is you just want to whirl it. And then you see just the color animation go through. So you spin it whichever way you want. Continue to spin. You can even add characters to it, whatever you feel as though is the best option for you. Let's turn it back around, test both sides, and there you have your paper spinner. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.